car off to get the tires. Yeah, when they fix my glasses to turn dark outside, they turn really dark. Anyway, had a cool little walk, but little walk can never hurt nobody. So, ooh, they talking about 3 hours. 2 to 3 hours. Ain't that something? I told my daughter I should have left my car keys with her. You know? But, it's alright. Give me time to check in with you guys. Hope everybody's having a good morning. Happy Friday. This is me, Jazzy. Like I said, getting my morning stroll on because I just dropped my car off. No, my truck to get my new tires. So, I'm going to go get me some meat. I was thinking about IHOP, but then I think Coco's. I told my daughter I can take a couple more steps to go to Coco's, even though IHOP is closer. So I'm going to go to Coco's. Anyway, I check back in with you guys. I just want to say, hey, happy Friday. Everybody have a good day. Look, there's BJ's. They not open. Whew. Cheesecake Factory. We know they not open this early. And besides, oh, yeah, I think I'm going to go to Coco's. All right, check back in a minute. Oh, wow. I was just walking across the street. This random lady walked up to me and told me where I'm walking to. I said, I'm just walking up here. She said, you're not wearing purple. She said, what's wrong? You can't wear purple? I said, yeah, I can wear purple. But I'll just wear purple on today. She's like, when you see me, drop me a purple. Whew. Man, just don't know, huh? I'm looking at her sideways like, wait a minute. All these strange people and stuff going on in the world. I left my taser at home. Didn't think I was going to have to walk nowhere. But, but I guess it's all good. God got me. All right, check back in a minute. Still on the stroll. I'm almost close to Coco. Let me show y'all. So this is where I'm at. I'm in Brea. There's the Cheesecake Factory. Oh, BJ's is back there. Doing a little stroll. I like the hat. We go there and get the strawberries. Oh yeah. So, I think after I cross the street, go a little bit more, I'll be at Coco's. Ooh, goodness. Oh well, I'll check in with a minute. Not even a little crossing sign till you wait, listen.
Wait.
You hear that? God, all this modern technology stuff. I guess that's good. You might need that. Can't see you, at least you can hear.
Wait.
Alright. It even told you how to start walking. I should let you guys hear that. Well, yeah, I was ready to get across the street. You know how some of these people be driving like they don't have no sense. How much is gas where you at? Look how much gas is where we are. Yep, y'all see Coco's over there in the front look. Yep, there it is. They showed a lot of people at these restaurants. It looks like they're giving away something. What do you think? I know we got Memorial Day coming up. I know they're giving out stuff for the vets and everybody. So I don't know what's happening. But anyway, Coco's got some special. So yeah, 2 pancakes, 2 bacon, 2 eggs, $5.99 every day. Oh yeah. Anyway, I made it. We're gonna check out and see what's inside, what we're gonna eat. Check back in a minute. Okay, people, so I'm here. Coco's, got my tea. My glasses been cleared up now that I'm inside. Got my tea. Just sitting up here waiting on my food. I got the strawberry waffle combo. Ooh, hope this is good. I'm hungry. I didn't eat much yesterday. Dealing with that issue with my car. This tea hot. You want a drink? Yeah. So I'll show you my food when it comes, okay? All right. Got a headache. See you in a minute. Oh, look at my food, people. That look good, huh? Eggs. I want the little potatoes. Got my little whipped cream on the side because I got to sit here so long, wait for my car. So I might as well enjoy myself. All right. Oh, those strawberries are so good. Ooh, look at all these desserts. Ooh, look at that chocolate. Oh, the pecan pie. Oh. Okay, family. Well, I'm on my way back. Finna make this walk. The lady said, the waitress, what you gonna do? She said, your car ready? I said, no. I'm just gonna go back. I think the longer you stay away, the longer they're gonna take to fix it. So, I'm just gonna go head on. Yeah. Shit, I need one of these. I need that mobile home thing. They finna hit the wave for the week. That's what I'm talking about. Whew, look at that. Oh yeah. People driving like food. Anyway, I got a little stroll ahead of me. Y'all wanna see? Yeah, this is what we see. We're heading back the way we came. I don't know, maybe about 3 blocks. These are long blocks. It's not long as the down south blocks, but it's some long blocks. But hope I don't run into that strange woman at that other light down there. Hopefully she gone. But whew. All right. Oh, I thought that was her. That was a man. All right. I'll check in with y'all at my next stop. Okay, people. I'm home. I'm finna change my clothes so I can get ready and go to the spa. I think I'm gonna put the little lounging outfit on so I can go to the spa, get my treatment. Yep. So, whew, today was a day. You know, got the car done, got some stuff done on it. Whew. Now it's my time. Give me a little R&R. All right, check back in with you. Yeah, I'm tired. All right. Okay, family, so this is what I'm wearing to the spa. I got my little Victoria. Oh, my hand hurt. I bent my finger. It hurt. My little Victoria's Secret lounging outfit. Yeah, this is what I'm wearing to the spa. I think it's cute. All right, you know the shirt got a little crisscross thing here. But yeah, this is what I'm wearing. Yeah, maybe I should turn it maybe to the side. You know I'm not good with these selfies. Yeah. Okay, people. I'm getting on the elevator. I'm getting my good treatment. Oh, yeah, I'm just sitting out here. Just finished the massage. Well, I just finished my massage. God, I feel, look at, I'm glowing. Can you see it? Oh, God, I'm glowing. I needed this. You know? Oh, goodness. I don't wait no more facial. Yes, I needed this right here. Yes. All right, I'll pop back in. I'm gonna try to show y'all the when I go do the facial and stuff. Well, I can't show y'all the stuff, but I'll show you the room, okay? All right, in a minute. This is the quiet room. sit in here and be quiet. I'm gonna sit right here. A little massage chair. Well, I just got finished my facial. How my face look, you guys? What you think? Can you see a difference? Oh, then I'm finna go and get in the hot tub for a minute. Then I guess I'll be wrapping it up because they close at 10. So it's, oh God, I'm feeling great. All right, stay tuned to the next, till I take you to the next part that I can take you in. All right. Oh, well, I enjoyed myself. This is it. Oh yeah, I had a good time. Whew. I'll relax and go home, get myself. I think I'm having me a glass of wine, huh? Sit back and watch a movie or something. All right, well, until later. God, there ain't nobody in the parking lot.